Hello folks, and welcome back to another tutorial with Algovera. My name is Keaton. I am on the core team here at Algovera, and today we're going to be talking about the Earn track within the community. A quick review of what tracks are within Algovera. Tracks are specific action items, resources, and opportunities you can use to get involved in the community, whether you want to start earning money as a data scientist or contributor, whether you want to start your own AI business, or whether you just want to start conversations and get involved with the community. The Earn track, specifically as the name implies, is a specific set of resources that you can use to actually start earning money by building and participating in Web3. So what we're going to look at today is how to get involved with the Earn track, whether you're joining the community for the first time or you've been in the community for a while and you want to start exploring paid opportunities. The first thing we always recommend when going through the Earn track is starting with our introduction and orientation. So what I have up here on the screen is our general introduction documentation for Algovera, and I really do recommend going through this step by step. You can see there is a bit to read here, but it is a really great resource to get acclimated to what we're all about here at Algovera, what we're trying to accomplish, and what our main goals are. This documentation is hosted on DocuSource, which makes it really easy to go step by step through each piece of the documentation as you click through here, or you can select specific sections. The one section I would point your attention to potentially most significantly at first is this orientation section here. You'll see it gives you first action items about how to get started in the community, where to locate all of our resources, and just in general, how our community engages with each other. So this would be the first step if you want to start on the Earn track and begin to earn funds. So again, as you can see here, clicking through the documentation, we have really comprehensive step-by-step guides and action items to get ready to actually earn money. So the first thing you'll want to do here as we're going through action items is obviously sign up with a MetaMask wallet and ensure you can actually earn funds and get paid in Web3. So as you're going through here and you've connected your wallet and you have that access to Web3 signed up, you can then start to be eligible to receive paid opportunities. The best resource to find what opportunities are active, where can you earn money now, is the Algovera Opportunities board. So the link to this board is on our website here. If you go to our main Notion page, click on the Opportunities board, which is within the Earn track, you can see what exactly we have to earn money as far as available opportunities. You'll see what category of opportunity this Earn track includes, and we'll talk about these various categories in a moment, the description of the project, and also the amount available to earn. At the moment, these amounts are in USD, unless otherwise specified. And you'll notice for some of these, for example, the Algovera Freelance opportunity, there's actually an application form. And again, we'll get into that in just a moment about why that's important and how to actually submit that. And in addition, there's also documentation that explains a little bit more in depth what each project is. So when you're starting your journey of earning money in Web3 as a freelance data scientist or as someone in the community, this provides a really good jumping off point to understand what each project is asking. So again, we have these three types of opportunities to earn in Algovera: the freelance opportunity, the tournament opportunity, and hackathons. First, we'll start off with freelance, and freelance opportunity is essentially what it sounds like. It is a limited selection of folks who apply to the project who will be working on producing a specific data science product at the end. Again, you can see here in the description, this particular product is working on a medical image classification algorithm. So let's say you join the community. Okay, this sounds right up my alley. I want to get involved in this particular freelance opportunity. You'll go to the opportunities board, which again is on our Notion page, and you'll find the Airtable form to apply for this particular opportunity. You'll see as we're going through here, we're requesting a couple pieces of information: your name, which specific role you find yourself in, whether you're a data scientist, full stack dev, or otherwise domain expert or other opportunity. We will also ask you to include your GitHub, LinkedIn availability, and then some more preferences about how you'd like to work. And again, this does seem structured, and it is meant to be a bit more structured than other Earn opportunities, but at the same time, We hope to provide an environment where you can have autonomy and freedom to engage in this project as you see fit, while also meeting the deliverables from the client who's actually paid us for this project. So there are options here regarding how you like to work. Do you want to work independently or with another person? And then we also provide a section where you can just add some more information about how you like to work. So again, this form is required if you want to get involved in a specific freelance opportunity, because we limit the number of participants that can engage in a freelance opportunity. For this specific action item right here, we were able to select 2 data scientists to work on this algorithm. Algovera tournaments, on the other hand, are much more open. So in this particular opportunity right here, you can see that the aim of the project is the same, and it's actually from the same company who's partnering with us on this. The difference here is that the tournament is open to anyone. So anyone who thinks they can build, whether independently or with a group of your peers, anyone who thinks they can build a functioning, high-performing medical image classification algorithm, they can join this tournament and submit the algorithm for potential payment. And basically how this works is when we are running a freelance and a tournament opportunity in tandem, like we are for the Insight job here, what we do is if the algorithm produced by the tournament participants performs measurably better than the freelance algorithm, you'll actually get paid this amount right here. You'll see that the amount for the tournament is less than the freelance amount right now. In the future, we hope to make these equal. Again, it does depend on the individual project, the individual client we're working with. But again, the idea is to make it open and create an environment where folks can just provide value to the project and get paid for it. Since this project is more open, there isn't an explicit limit to who can participate. There also is not an explicit application form necessarily for these tournament projects, since they are open and anyone in the community can participate in them. Now, as far as how to get involved with the tournament, there will be documentation for each individual tournament that comes up in terms of when is the deadline, what are the specific deliverables, and how might you get involved with that. Again, you can find that in the more information section, which we have here. You can read through to see what the mission of the organization that is partnered with us is. You can also see what the actual project and algorithm development contain. There's also information about the tournament here, as well as dates where folks can get more information about when and how to get involved. So again, your main home base, if you want to look for paid opportunities, is this opportunities board. Additionally, what I would really recommend is getting involved in Discord as well. So if you have an idea for how you might make this medical classification algorithm in the case of the Insight project, and you want to get together with other folks and start to play around with some ideas and actually start building, you should head over to our Discord page and start chatting in our various channels, make an introduction if you haven't already, and just make connections. And that's the really great thing of the tournament aspect of the Earn track, is since it's so open, there really is an opportunity for everyone in the community to engage in the process as you see fit. So these are the main ways to get involved with Algovera Tracks as far as the Earn opportunities. Check back to the opportunities board often, as we will be putting every new opportunity we have to actually earn in Web3 and data science products here on our opportunities board. And other than that, if you have questions, if you are having trouble navigating forums, if you want to get in touch with folks directly, as mentioned, drop in our Discord. Feel free to tag anyone on the core team. Tag me, Keaton. Happy to chat with you or set up a Zoom call or any other video platform to help you get involved in more depth. Other than that, keep an eye out for news on our Twitter and Discord as well. And best of luck getting involved building in Web3.